Let's be honest, Toyota Tundra is a beast of a truck, but that factory screen? Yeah, it doesn't feel like a 2024 vehicle. What if I told you that one upgrade can give your Tundra a Tesla-style display, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS, split screen, and a full Android 14 system, all plug and play? This is the 14.6-inch Android 14 touchscreen head unit for Toyota Tundra. And today on Ease with Tech, I'll show you who this is for, what problem it solves, and whether it's actually worth your money. Most Tundra owners face the same issues. Small screen limited apps, laggy system wired CarPlay, no real customization, and upgrading usually means cutting wires, losing stock features, or dealing with error messages. That's where this unit comes in. This 14.6-inch QLED touchscreen is designed specifically for Toyota Tundra 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025. No guesswork, no DIY headaches. It's plug and play, keeps your factory controls, and upgrades your truck into a full Android-powered infotainment system. This screen is huge. Navigation on one side, music or YouTube on the other, thanks to split screen mode. No cables, just start the truck and your phone connects automatically. Calls, maps, WhatsApp, Spotify, all hands-free. Google Maps, voice guidance, worldwide maps, even without your phone. This is a real Android tablet built into your dash. Download apps, multitask smoothly, picture-in-picture videos. It's fast and responsive. Clear calls, synced contacts, and stable music streaming. It even comes with a back camera plus support for aftermarket amps. One of my favorite things, no cutting, no splicing. Everything comes in the box. Dash kit, wiring harness with SanBus GPS module USB cable back. Camera pry tools. It fully supports Toyota's stock InTouch system, steering wheel controls, and factory features. This upgrade is perfect if you want a modern screen, you use CarPlay or Android Auto daily, you want navigation plus apps built in, you don't want to mess with wiring, you want your truck to feel premium again. If you're happy with the stock screen, you probably won't need this. But if you want next-level infotainment, this hits hard. If you want to check it out, I've dropped the link in the description. Like the video if this helped, subscribe to Ease with Tech, and let me know in the comments. Would you upgrade your Tundra with this screen? See you in the next one.